Okay, so here we are up on this, there's the Macau Tower right there. Kind of up on this hilltop. And we're just gonna show you around here a little bit. I got it on like a zoom kind of thing, so it's taking a little time. It's like a Taipa Pequena right there. Trail. Taipa Pequena trail. The main goal of this one, anyways, is to show you the view. So let's come back. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I decided to come back out and view from when I do it the other way, it's a little bit difficult to zoom in, so I'm just going to zoom back out again, and then you can see. There we go, 1 bridge, 2 bridges, 3 bridges, and then this is all that reclaimed land. I think it's called Zone C, something like that. So what we're gonna do is just walk towards this little incline, and then we'll see. I don't know, I wouldn't mind going right over to the water and trying to cross this road, but I'm not sure if I will or not. This is also kind of a mystery right here. There's all this land over here that's never been developed, and I think they some kind of like theme park or something bought it once, and then they never developed it, and it's just kind of idle land. Prime real estate though, amazing. And over here, I don't know about this particular building, but those white ones there down there are Ocean Gardens. I don't know this one. I don't know what this one is either. It's this green one. Scaffolding. That's amazing. When you see the scaffolding, it means people are climbing up and up the side of the building. And I don't know about you, but I don't think I would want to climb and look down at stuff like that. I'll just kind of show you around a little bit. So yeah, we're above the trees here, of course. Lots more trees up there. So we're basically on the hill, right? And this one we're definitely looking. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna take that elevator down. I want to show you the stairs to the left as well. Yeah, and actually there's like trails up there. So when we started, there was a trail that goes up into these mountains a little bit. And you can also see down here is stairwell. So you can kind of go down all the way if you wanted to. But when you have an elevator right here, why bother, right? Oh, actually it closes at 6 o'clock. So my plan was to go down there, but I think it's about 6 o'clock now, so we might not be able to come back up. Ooh, I'd have to take the stairs back up if I'd... Huh. So I was gonna go down, but 9 to 12, 2 to 6. Is that just for this one? Is that just when it's under repair? Kind of confused now. So I was thinking about going down. If I do go down, there's a little pathway that goes down all the way, and then I might have to come back up using the stairs. That would suck. Yeah, that's... Is there another thing that says 6 o'clock? They can't just close it at 6, can they? That'd be crazy, right? If they close it at 6, I'd have to take the stairs all the way up. The stairs are, you can see it now. You see those stairs? So you can climb the stairs all the way up. That would take some time. It's about 6 o'clock right now, so so that means that they could close this at 6. Oh, there's the time, 5:36. So 5:36, that means that I have, that can't be right. So that's where we're just at up there. So we were up, that's the elevator that we took up, and we were just walking along that way right there, right? There's some speed cameras up above, bus stop. So what we're gonna do is see if we can walk down this a little ways. Got some fast cars, but we have the right of way, so we should be able to go across. Let's just see if we can. All right, so we made it. This is called Avenida dos Jardins dos Oceano. So there's ocean gardens down that way. I didn't realize that they named this street after that as well. So we're gonna keep on walking. There's the sign to Macau over there. So that bridge is Macau, but it's only for buses and taxis. Here's Macau Tower. Should have the right of way right here. Once we get across, we'll there's a pedestrian bike lane right there, and then we have so you got all bikes that go up and down on the sides, and then this is kind of the runners and things like that, and then this is the water, and then all that's the reclaimed land right there. Macau Tower, some of the Macau casinos, and I think we're gonna walk on that bridge a little bit. And now you can also see that's what we were just on right a little while ago, right? I hope that elevator stays open for a little bit longer so I can get back. I think what I want to do is go a little bit on the bridge, and then we're gonna come back. At least that way you kind of have an idea of what's all around here, right? And those apartments down there are Ocean Gardens, so I guess that's Avenida de Ocean Gardens as well. With a sandbar right there. And I guess all the bikes, they turn around in that spot right there. And they go all the way back down. So what we're gonna do is just walk it a little bit. See what we can see. Yeah, it's like nice. It looks real nice right there, right? So you got runners and bikers, and you got our little path that's up there as well. And that's the monument that we started at up there. Looks like the runners can get water as well. So this is our reclaimed land, and this is about the bridge right here, 1974. So this is the bridge of the Governor Nobre de Carvalho, October 5th, 1974. All right, so now we could take the bridge and we could walk all the way across it. I've walked it before. I don't know if it's interesting to film or not, but you can definitely see some of it anyways. Let's just take our time and enjoy. I won't walk too far with it in the camera because I think then it's going to be all just narration and talking. But I definitely will walk a little bit. That's our other bridge over there, and there's another bridge on the other side of that bridge that goes to Hong Kong. And then this one is kind of cool. There's Macau Tower right there. I don't know how far to walk. Kind of want to walk all the way across, to be honest. I can hear the cranes working over there as well. Yeah, I'd love to walk all the way across. It's actually pretty nice. It's about 6 in the evening. Some lights are starting to come on. Probably be a good 30 minutes to walk across. Dang, I'm pretty tempted, to be honest. There's our construction of the new stuff. We're at 8 minutes right there. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just end it. That makes sense. So we'll end it right there. So that's basically where we came from. And I might create a new video. I'll just walk on my own a little bit and then do a new video and kind of explain some stuff. So yeah, there you go. So we started up there, and then we came down here and then across. So let's end it right there.